Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the VIM editor. So what is VIM editor? It just lets you edit the files in your Linux environment. So if you don't have a VIM install, then you just use the command yum install VIM. Hit enter. You can say this command will download all the uh, VIM editor package into your system. So mine is already installed, and I do also have a latest version. So if you don't have a latest version, then also you can run this command. Otherwise, if you have a latest version, then just continue it. So we'll see nothing there is in the file, this path. So let's create a file first. So to create a file, we use the command touch file one, enter. You can see the files there. Now let's use the command vim and give the file name file1, or you can give the path also if you are not in that particular path, and hit enter. Now you can see this kind of window, and if you want to edit, just hit enter I. If you hit I, then it will start editing. Now you can write anything here. Hi there, let's learn VIM. So to go down, you just hit enter to go down. Linux, you can write stuff. Linux is an important stuff. And if you want to quit this editor now, you can just hit the escape button, and then you have to save this. So give this two dots and then W. W is for saving, and if you want to save and quit, then you can use W and Q. We'll just use W first. So now we are not in a, now if you type also, it will not print there, it will not type there. So we'll just hit escape, double dot, Q, enter. Now we are in a command line CLI. Now we escape, we just go back there, file one, hit I to enter. Now we'll write something else, right? If you go down here, Linux is an open source OS. You can write n number of lines here, like get best Linux with me. Now, if you want to save, just hit escape and then W and quit. Save and quit. Now we save and quit. Now type, we'll go again there, file one. Now by mistake, I by mistake, if you know make some changes here, and if you don't want to save those changes, then just hit enter, double dot, then Q and exclamation mark. This will go back to our command line. We'll go back to our command line and cat this file one. You can see the changes which I've made are not saved. So the command for that is hit escape and then double dot Q and exclamation mark. back to VIM Editor. Now, if you want to copy some lines here in this VIM, just you can see this here. This is the easiest way to learn the VIM. So let's see this command, SENU. Uh, if we just hit escape and type SENU space NU, then we'll get the line numbers here. So let me just I now let's write something else for you to learn Linux. VIM is must. Hit escape. Just hit escape. WQ enter. Let's go back to VIM file 1. Now, let me give this. Let me give this number of lines. So now, if you want to copy this line, just go to that line. Just take your cursor to that line and hit the copy YY command. The YY. If you press 2 times Y, it will copy it, and you can just go here. I enter, and if you want to paste now that this this will copy one line. Now if you want to paste, just hit P. No, wait, P. Yeah, you should not in editing mode. So you can see the P command will just paste the file down. You have to paste it up, then you have to just the I will just create some more lines there. Now if you want to paste this file up, then you just hit one time P here. I mean capital P, shift capital P. It will put it down. I mean this is above the line, capital P. This is below the line, small p. So if you want to copy this line, double Y, and paste it above this get best in Linux with me line, then just paste it, shift and P, you'll paste upwards. And now if you want to paste below this line, just one time P. Just delete this one. And now if you want to delete any file, just use this command dd 2 times. It will delete one file, so I mean one line. Just hit dd, it will delete the file. And if you want to undo the delete, just press U. That's it. the file will undo itself. After that, let's learn if you want to copy these two files. Like for Linux, it is important for OS, and let's copy this. Get best in Linux with me. For you to learn Linux, VIM is must. So, if you want to copy these four files, just hit these two files. Just hit 2y. It will copy two files and paste it here in P. Just see it will copy this stuff. And if you want to copy the four lines, so just hit 4y. It copies the four lines, and then hit P. You get five lines. Okay. So yeah, if you want to copy two lines, then hit one y. We'll copy two lines, then paste it here. Two lines. Okay. Whatever lines you want to copy, just do line number -1 and then hit y. Like if you want to copy five lines, then just give the command 4y. It will copy five lines. Just paste it here. It will copy five lines. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And similarly, if you want to delete the number of files, then you just go to line, press dd one time. It will delete this one line only. So if you enter hit dd, it will delete the one line. If you want to delete three lines, then hit 2dd. It will delete two lines, three lines. If you want to delete uh, three lines, then just hit 3d d. It will delete the two lines. Now let's see, one more command is there, ddp cut paste. Just go, just you want to cut this file and paste it somewhere else, then hit ddp to cut the line, p here, paste line. Just hit dd, it will cut the line, and p here, it will paste the line. If you want to dd this first line, which is high there, let's learn vim dd, and you want to go to the last line and hit p, paste it here. Now you are in the last line. If you want to go to the top of the line, then you can simply hit gg command. Gg command will take the cursor to the first line. Now you can see the cursor is here. Similarly, if you want to go to the last line here, from here, now you can see the cursor is here. You want to go there, move that cursor from here to here, just press shift and G, capital G, you can say. It will go here. Hit GG again, it will go to the first line. Hit shift G, it will go to the last line. That's it. That is the VIM editor. You can, just to say, if you want to, if you want to find some keywords in here, just give the command, slash. If you want to find Linux, then it's Linux, hit enter. It will highlight all the lines which contains the word Linux in it. So that's it. That's